Introduction to Information and Communication Technology. Information technology, or IT, is a term used to describe the items of equipment, hardware, and computer program software that allow us to access, retrieve, store, organize, manipulate, and present information by electronic means. Next, communication technology, or CT, is a term used to describe telecommunication equipment through which information can be sought and accessed, for example, phones, faxes, modems, and computers. And next, Information and Communication Technology, or ICT, collectively refers to technologies, both hardware and software, that enable humans to communicate with one another. History of ICT. History of ICT, or Information and Communication Technology, ICT, or Information and Communication Technology, or technologies, is the infrastructure and components that enable modern computing. Although there is no single universal definition of ICT, the term is generally accepted to mean all devices, network and components, application, and system that combines allow people and organization, businesses, non-profit agencies, government, and criminal enterprises to interact in the digital world.
Usage of ICT in daily lives. ICT has contributed a lot to change our everyday life, such as letter to email, market shopping to online shopping, classroom to e-learning, etc. ICT in education. Today, the most higher educational institutions have computers in the classroom for teachers and students. In education, teachers and students, researchers, and school administrators benefits from the usage of ICT. ICT in banking. The computer is the nerve center of the banking system around the world. It functions to control entire banking system that also includes electronic banking services. Electronic banking provides 24 hours services. ICT in industry. Computers are used to facilitate production planning and control systems to support chain management and to help product design in the industrial sector. Workers, researchers, and administrators benefits from the usage of ICT. ICT in e-commerce. E-commerce helps in boosting the economy. It helps buying and selling activities easier, more efficient, and faster. For this application, computers, internet, and shared software are needed in the e-commerce sector. Customers, suppliers, and employees benefits from the usage of ICT.
The impacts of ICT in society. Faster communication speed. Before, information like news and other messages were sent and received by a receiver for a long time. But now, through cell phones, computers, wired and portable radios, televisions, and the internet, information can easily be transmitted to one another. Due to electronic usage, all communication can cycle faster. Lower communication costs. In just keep rates in the text message and calling through cellular phones and telephones, and low cost of using internet like social media, communication can go through. You can communicate with the person you want to communicate with just lower case compared before. You don't need private messengers to deliver your message to the side receiver. Reliable mode of communication.
First one is effective sharing of information. Knowledge and ideas can be easily shared to the desired receiver all around the world through ICT. People can do meetings, forums, and businesses through internet in simple efforts. They can negotiate of everything and market everything through a faster and effective sharing of communications through ICT. Even in education, teacher can share his or her lessons with the students everywhere by using of internet. The next one is borderless communication. Nowadays, communication is not controlled by everyone because it is borderless through cellular phones and the internet. You cannot just communicate with the local area today, but you can communicate with the people nearby and far countries around the world with a low cost. You can chat or text with your friends even outside in the country because of ICT. The last one is social problems. There are some negative effects of ICT. It has created social problems in the society. Nowadays, people tend to choose online communication rather than having a real-time conversations. People tend to become more individualistic and introvert, and because of it, you'll lose the ability of talking to someone in public and make an awkward communication instead. And the best thing you can avoid is to balance it, which is you should communicate with someone through online and face-to-face in a balanced system. And that's all for the impact of ICT in society.
Codes of conduct for IT professionals. The aim of the code is to encourage ethical waste behavior and to help IT professionals to handle moral problems arising from their work. The purpose of this code is to reinforce the ethical aspect of information technology professionalism and promote IT by raising discussion amongst IT professionals. Consequence of professionals' work. The result of information technology work receive their meaning through application. IT professionals must understand the consequence of their work as part of a long chain, at the end of which is the user. Professional must take into regard the needs and wants of the consumer, the clients and their employer interactions. Professionals should always aim to understand the meaning of their work to the whole community for which the work is done and not limit themselves only to the opinions of the people with whom they have the transaction.
Negative practices in social media. Today's children and teens are growing up immersed in digital media. They are exposed to media in all forms, including TV, computers, smartphones, and other screens. Media can influence how children and teens feel, learn, think, and behave. What we know, almost 75% of teens own a smartphone. They can access the internet, watch TV and videos, and download interactive applications or apps. 25% of teens describe themselves as constantly connected to the internet. 76% of teens use at least one social media site. More than 70% of teens visit multiple social media sites, such as Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram. 4 to 5 households or family owns a device to play video games.